What's going on, guys? Another video for you guys. The last one was a Subaru one. After that I did a Mustang, but unfortunately I kind of started the video late, so I don't think I'll be posting that. Unfortunately, things happen, you know. I'm still getting used to the whole YouTube thing, but I'm gonna have a quick clean today. Nothing crazy special. Should only take about like an hour and a half, and then after that we're gonna be doing a first bike at the shop. It's a Yamaha R1. This is the boy Ruben's. It's not horrible. It's pretty clean, kind of just dusty. It's more of a, hey man, let me wash your bike. That way people know I do bikes. And I'm gonna clean it up for him, post some pictures, throw them up, and hopefully people bring me their bikes a little more often. I know it's winter, but I know some people can trailer them over. Some people end up riding him, like Ruben. It was cold, and that dude was like, dude, it's freezing. But hopefully this helps me bring in some more business when it comes to bikes. I do Harleys and stuff usually during the spring or the summer. Not too often though, but I wish I can get more bikes in. So hopefully washing this thing, making it look kind of nice and, you know, clean it up, will bring me some more bikes. But gotta do that quickly first. Once we hit the bike, I'll do a little wash montage for you guys. So we'll be back on that. Alright guys, this one's done. It came out pretty good. The owner is one of the mechanic guy here, so but nope, she looks good. Just a nice little wash. Just a little nice wash, you know, a little wipe down, you know, so add some conditioner to the seat, clean up the wheels a little bit, just something to make it look good. He plans on repainting it, so but otherwise that's it. It looks good, nice and clean. Hopefully you guys like these type of videos. I'm gonna try making more like this of cars, cool cars, bikes that come in like this. Otherwise, another video out for you guys. Well, that's it for this video. Catch you guys in the next one.